Hello student. Now in the last video we discussed about elimination method. So in that elimination method, question number 1 we solved from exercise 3.3. Question number first we completed. Now from that exercise question number 2. What is the question number 2? Solve 2x plus 3y equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y equals to mx plus 3. So this is the question is given. So first it is there, solve these two pairs of linear equation in two variable, means has to find the value of x and y. So how to find out? So 2x plus 3y equals to 11. Equation number 1. 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24. Equation number 2. So here see in the second equation, what is there? 2 is common. So has to eliminate the 2. So what has to do? Divide by 2. So divide by 2. So what has to do? X minus 2y equals to minus 12. This is equation number. Now elimination method. First method we studied substitution method. So from the substitution method, substitute means we have to convert any one equation. We have to transform it in the form x in terms of y or y in terms of x. So now here x equals to 2y minus 12. Equation number 3. So we got the value of x, means it is we transform equation 2 in the form of x in terms of y. So this value has to substitute in equation 1. Substitute value of x in equation 1. So equation 1 becomes, so it is 2 into 2y minus 12 plus 3y equals to 11. Now simplify this. 4y minus 24 plus 3y equals to 11. 24 transferred that side. 4y plus 3y 7y. So what will get? 35. So therefore y equals to 5. So got the value of y. Now put this value of y in equation 3. Put y equals to 5 in equation 3. So what will get? X equals to equation 3 becomes x equals to 2 into 5 minus 12. So x equals to 10 minus 12. So what is? Minus. Got the value of x and y. Now first question answer over. Solve. Now second question is there. Hence find the value of m for which y equals to mx plus 3. So now these values of x and y has to substitute in this equation. So put x equals to minus 2 and y equals to 5 in equation y equals to mx plus 3. So what will get? Therefore 5 equals to m into minus 2 plus 3. Transfer this. So what will get? minus 2m, 5 minus 3. So minus 2m equals to, what is 2? So m equals to minus 1. What they ask? Find the value of m. Got the value of m? Hope you understand, student, this how to solve. So okay, now third question, it is the word problem. Numericals are there. So first we will complete the all methods and then together we will solve the word problems. Okay students, so now we will go on the second method. What is the name of second method? Elimination method. So okay, we will go on the now second method is there, elimination method. So in elimination method, first we will discuss the algorithm. So what is the algorithm? Algorithm means steps for solving the elimination method. So first step is there, obtain the two equations as in algorithm. Means in the question whatever equations are given, that equations first has to write. A pair of linear equations in two variables, that we have to write first. Second step is there, multiply both the equations by some suitable non-zero constant to make the coefficients of one variable numerically equal. After writing, check the coefficients of variable. So out of two variables, any one variable's coefficients has to make it equal by multiplying suitable number. Understood student? What has to do? Has to make the coefficient of any one variable equal by multiplying particular number. Third step, then add or subtract one equation from the other so that one variable gets eliminated. So then what has to do? Check it, the sign of the coefficients. If sign of the coefficients are same, any one coefficient sign is same, then has to do subtraction and eliminate that variable. If sign is opposite, then add both the equation and eliminate the one variable. So that whatever variable value we will get, that has to substitute in another equation. So in that, three steps are there in step 3. If the resulting equation is in one variable, so second, if the resulting equation is a true statement with no variable, then the original pair of equation has infinitely many solutions. If the resulting equation is a false statement with no variable, then the original pair of equation has no solution. So what is given in that? If the equation is true statement, then it has infinitely many solutions. And the statement is means there is no variable, means that statement is false. So then it has no solution. Now go on the step 4. Solve the resulting equation in one variable to obtain and get its value. What has to do? Then has to solve that after making the coefficient of any one variable equal, then solve it. Add or subtract and solve it. You will get the value of one variable. Substitute this value of one variable in any one of the equation. You will get the value of another variable. So in this way we will get the value of both variables and that is the solution of the given equations by elimination method. Understood, student? Algorithm. So with that algorithm we have to solve. So we will go on the example to understand this. So we will take example 1. So exercise 3.4. First question. Solve the following pair of linear equations by elimination method and substitution method. Already I explained substitution method. So now I am going to explain this elimination method. X plus y equals to 5. 2x minus 3y equals to 4. So, according to first step, obtain the pair of linear equation. We got a pair of linear equation. Then second step, what was that? Make the coefficient of any one variable numerically equal by multiplying that equation by a particular number. So check it here. Which variable sign is opposite? Here x it is there. So here sign is same, plus plus. But this variable y having the plus and minus sign, opposite sign. So wherever opposite sign is there, so that variable's coefficient we have to make it equal. So here 3 is there, here 1 is there. So equation 1 multiply by 3. So equation 1 multiply equation 1 by 3. So equation 1 becomes, so what we get? 3x plus 3y equals to 50. Whole equation has to multiply. Then equation number 2 as it is, means has to multiply by 1. So what we get? 2x minus 3y equals to 4. Now see, coefficients are same, sign is opposite. So what has to do? Addition. Add both the equations. So what we get? 5x. This cancel. 19. Means due to this addition, one variable is eliminated. So means remove. Elimination means we have to remove. So now y we remove. So we will get the value of x. What is the value of x? 19 by 5. We got the value of x. Now substitute this value of x in any one of the equation. In equation 1 or in equation 2. You will get the value of second variable. Put x equals to 19 by 5 in equation 1. So equation 1 becomes 19 by 5 plus y equals to 5. So now transfer this, y equals to 5 minus 19 by 5. So what will get? Y equals to, so here denominator is not same, so cross multiplication, 25 minus 19 by 5. So what will get? Y equals to 6 by 5. So got the values of x and y. Solution becomes x equals to 19 by 5 and y equals to 6 by 5. Understood how to use the elimination method? So in this way we have to find the value of x and y. We will go on the second question. Another one example please. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 equals to minus 1. X minus y by 3 equals to 3. So this equation. Now here we will give equation number 1, equation number 2. But here see, it is in the fraction. So if the equations are in fraction, then it is difficult to find. So what has to do? We have to remove the denominators. How to remove the denominators? By multiplying the HCF of the denominator. So equation 1 multiply by 6. What is the LCM of this? 6. So multiply 6. 6 into x by 2 plus 6 into 2y by 3 equals to 6 into minus 1. So what will get? 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6. Equation number 3. Now it came like this. So first has to convert in this way. Then equation number 2 multiply by, here denominator is 3. So 3. 3x minus y equals to 9. Equation number 4. Now see equation 3 and equation 4. Which variable sign is opposite? Y. Plus minus. So try to make their coefficients equal. Means equation 4 multiply by 4. So equation 3 as it is. So multiply by 1. 4y equals to minus 6. So now equation 4 multiply by 4. So what will get? 12x minus 4y 36. Now what has to do? Their sign is opposite. Sign is opposite means what has to do? Addition. If sign is same, then what has to do? Subtraction. So what will get? 15x. This eliminate. And here 13. So therefore x equals to, what is? X equals to 2. Now we got the value of x. Now put x equals to 2 in equation 3 or 4. Out of this 3 and 4 in any one. So in equation 2. Wherever calculation is less, in that equation we have to substitute the value. So what will get? Equation 4 becomes, so what is? 3 into 2 minus y equals to 9. So now has to solve this. So what will get? 6 minus y equals to 9. Transfer y that side, 9 this side. So what will get? 6 minus 9 equals to y. So y equals to minus 3. So got the value of x and y. So x equals to 2 and y equals to minus 3 is solution of given equations. So this method is called elimination method. Hope you understand, student. So now we will go on the example. So now I explain from the exercise. So now remaining you have to solve that. So by both the method you have to solve, not by only one method. Has to practice it. Now third example we will take. Solve for y. X plus 1 by 2 plus y minus 1 by 3 equals to 9. X minus 1 by 3 plus y plus 1 by 2 equals to 8. Now how to solve this? So here we will give equation number 1, equation number 2. Now here it is in the fraction. So whenever it is given in the fraction, so what we did? We made it simple equation by multiplying whole equation by the LCM of the denominator. So here also same thing has to do. So what has to do? Equation 1 multiply. What is the LCM of this denominator? 6. So multiply by 6. So what will get? 3 into x plus 1. Then here plus 2 into y minus 1 equals to 9 6 are 54. Simplify this. 3x plus 3 plus 2y minus 2 equals to 54. Now 3x plus 2y plus 1 equals to 54. 3 minus 2. Now transfer 1 to that side. 3x plus 2y equals to 53. Equation number 3. Understood, student, this? So this first equation we converted and we made it simple equation. Now we will go on the second equation. So second equation's denominator LCM is 6. So equation 2 also multiply by 6. So equation 2 multiply by 6. So what will get? 2 into x minus 1 plus 3 into y plus 1 equals to 48. 6 8s are 48. Now simplify this. 2x minus 2 plus 3y plus 3 equals to 48. Therefore 2x plus 3y. Then now what will get? Plus 1 minus 2 plus 3 48. Transfer 1 to that side. So 2x plus 3y equals to 47. Equation number 4. So got equation number 3 and equation number 4. Now check it. Both variable sign is same, plus 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 plus. So according to your wish you can make any one variable's coefficient equal. So decide it, whose equation you want to make it same. So suppose x, coefficient of x we will make it equal. So equation 3 multiply. So x coefficient has to make equal. So coefficient of equation 4, coefficient of x of equation 4 multiplied to equation 3 means what is 2. And equation 4 multiply by the coefficient of x of equation 3 multiply the equation 4. So what is 3 becomes. So equation 3 multiply by 2, what will get? 6x plus 4y equals to 106. Then equation 4 multiply by 3, 6x plus 9y equals to 3 7s are 21, 2, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 141. Now check it. Coefficients are same, sign is also same. So what has to do? Subtraction. Subtract. So whenever we are subtracting, so second equation sign has to change. Change the sign of second equation. So what has to do? This x variable it is eliminate. So 4 minus 9 minus 5y. Now here what will get? 141, 106, 5, 3. So minus 35. So now y equals to 7. Transfer minus 5 to that side. Minus minus cancel. So what will get? Y equals to 7. Now put y equals to 7 in equation 3 or 4. Not in 1 and 2. In which equation has to put? 3 or 4. In any one. So we will substitute in equation 3. It is not compulsory. I am substituting the value in 3. You also substitute. No problem. You can substitute in 4 also. So equation 3 becomes. So what will get? 3x plus 2y. What is the value of y? 7 equals to 53. 3x plus 14 equals to 53. Transfer 14 to that side. 53 minus 14. So 3x equals to 39. So therefore this 3 transfer that side, x equals to 13. So got the value of x and y. So therefore x equals to 13 and y equals to 7 are the solutions. Understood, student, how to solve this? So hope you understand this, how to solve. So we will go on the next. Now next example, solve for x and y. These two equations are given. So it is given part. So what has to do? First, according to algorithm, what is? Obtain the equation. It is not the proper equation. So in the equation form has to form it. So what has to do? Equation 1 becomes. This simplify. So what will get? 7y plus 21 minus 2x minus 4 equals to 14. So what will get? Minus 2x plus 7y 21 minus 4 plus 17 equals to 14. Transfer 17 to that side. So what will get? Therefore, minus 2x plus 7y equals to minus 3. Now equation number 3. Now we got the equation. Got it? So first has to convert in the form of equation. Then equation number 2. Has to convert. So what? 4y minus 8 plus 3x minus 9 equals to 2. So what will get? 3x plus 4y minus 8 minus 9 minus 17 equals to 2. Transfer this minus 17 to that side. So what will get? 3x plus 4y equals to, what will get? 19. Equation number 4. Got two equation. So now any one variable coefficient has to make it equal. So here x variable sign is opposite. So x variable sign is opposite. We have to make the coefficient of x is same, equal. So how to make it? Equation 3 multiply. So what has to do? Coefficient of this equation, coefficient of x of equation 3 multiply to equation 4, and coefficient of x of equation 4 multiply to equation 3. So what will get? Here equation 3 multiply by 3 and equation 4 multiply by 2. So what will get? Minus 6x plus 21y equals to minus 3 into 3 minus 9. Now here equation 4 multiply by 2. 2 into 3, 6x plus 8y equals to 2 into 19, 38. Now here sign is opposite. So what has to do? Addition. So it is eliminated. So what will get? 29y equals to 29. So therefore y equals to 1. Got the value of y. Now substitute this value of y in equation 3 or equation 4, in any one of the equation. So put y equals to 1 in equation 3. So equation 3 becomes, so what will get? Minus 2x plus 7 into 1 equals to minus 3. So what will get? Minus 2x equals to minus 3 minus 7. Minus 2x minus 10. So therefore x equals to 5. So what is? So therefore x equals to 5 and y equals to 1 is the solution. Understood, student, how to solve? So in this way we have to solve. Now we will go on the next question.